Codes of conduct for Classic Mercedes owners and invite to our Christmas party. Before we get into this video, I want to ask you guys to like, share, and subscribe. I'm not getting enough new subscribers by the end of the year. Why not? I want more of you. I know some of you just like watch and don't subscribe. If you don't want to create a Gmail account and etc., I don't blame you because I know Google watches you, but if you already have one, just subscribe to the video, to the channel, please. I mean, it does so much for us, you know. I'm trying to out-algorithm all the other Mercedes channels. Next, our Christmas party invite. On Saturday, December 11th, 2021, from 1 to 3:30, we are having a luncheon and a small car show and gift exchange at Dixie Crossroads in Titusville. To RSVP for this party, please email Peggy Bull, peggy.bull, B-O-H-L, @gmail.com, or you can call her at 916-744-1555. Please bring a $10 to $15 gift for Yankee Swap. Favorite Christmas game ever. There is a no-host bar, and so individuals will be charged individually. Anyway, I wanted to get some of us together for Christmas because our local MBCA section is not having a Christmas party. So if you're in the Central Florida area, please come out. Even if I haven't met you before, we'll be waiting to see you. And bring your Mercedes so that you could show it off. So, okay. Now we're going to codify the rules of conduct for Classic Mercedes owners when they interact with each other. This is a very important topic because I believe that there is a clandestine sort of bond between Classic Mercedes owners. When I see somebody in a Classic Mercedes, I want to get their attention and let them know that we share a common love for these vehicles. And so I thought maybe I can codify this by putting it in a video. So here we go. Rule number 1, when you see each other, acknowledge each other with a honk or a wave, even if it looks difficult. Like the person's on the other side of the highway doing 80 miles an hour. Just honk and wave. They might see you. Acknowledge their car, you know? Don't be afraid if you have like a 240D and they have like a 560 SEC. Now the playing field has been leveled, you know? Number 2, help each other out. If you are driving down the road and you see a Mercedes that is broken down, a Classic Mercedes, stop. Even if you don't think you have any mechanical knowledge or tools or parts to contribute, just be there to help the person in case they need something. You know, I always say this, if you have a Classic Mercedes and I have one too, we're probably friends that haven't met. Just saying, you know, even if it's like an 81 380 SL, I can still get excited about it, even if I've made videos saying otherwise. Even a 140, you know. Number 3, be a resource. Let people know. I mean, a lot of us participate in Facebook groups or forums for these cars. If people are traveling, they're going to an area, you know, reach out to them. Say, hey, if you need anything, I'm here to help you. You know, don't take advantage of people if you're traveling and you need help. But if you need help and you're driving your Classic Mercedes, then why not? I mean, let people know that you're there to assist them. Number 4. Another great thing that we can do is acknowledge each other. Like if you see somebody with a Classic Mercedes getting into their car in a parking lot, even if you don't have your car with you, walk up and say hi. Say hi. My name is Pierre, and I really like your 82 300 SD. I have an 83 300D, and my admiration for these cars is like a 10 out of 10. You know, just be, you know, don't be gun shy and get into a conversation with the person who has them. You never know how much your enthusiasm can help another person create enthusiasm for their own car. Number 5, and this is a good thing that I've learned over the years. Try to help people who might be having a mechanical problem by either giving them advice or directing them to resources. I say the worst answer you can give someone is, I don't know. Even I get angry with myself if I say that. I don't know. I don't know means that you're just like apathetic because there's always an answer. And usually if somebody needs help, saying I don't know is not a very good way to do that. So like if somebody with a classic Mercedes needs a connection to a resource and you have an answer, don't say, oh, my answer may not be good enough or my resource may not be good enough. Just try. There's nothing wrong with trying. There's nothing wrong with helping somebody with a little bit of information. I think number 6 is probably the most important one of all. If you see somebody with a classic Mercedes and you think that your car is better than theirs, don't treat them with some kind of hostility and look down on them or whatever. I see a lot of long-term 107 owners do this. They get all snobby when they see a person with a 240D, like, oh, that was the inexpensive car. Don't do that. Don't, crap all over somebody just because you perceive that their car's less good than yours or it's not as nice. They may be just as enthusiastic as possible. They may have just gotten it. They may be working on improving it. You shouldn't make assumptions about people before you speak to them. So those 6 simple rules are my codification of how classic Mercedes owners should treat each other. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment if you have another rule to add to the canon. Or like, share, and subscribe again, please. And enjoy connecting with other Mercedes owners. Some of the best moments of my life have been approaching people who have these cars. I made friends for life, and I think that that Thomas and I can probably relate to this a lot because we've been opened up to the world of these cars at a greater scale since we started our YouTube channel. So I get excited each and every time somebody contacts me or I see somebody with one of these cars.
Absolutely.
Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Reach out, be a friend.